sellers. My name's Ashley DePinto.
And I'm Dana Rodriguez.
And today we're going to be talking about some changes that have been implemented into the BSA or the Business Solutions Agreement on Amazon. Specifically, we'll be talking about Section 17, which is the export section. So this section actually of the agreement actually hasn't changed since the previous Business Solutions Agreement. But we do want to give sellers some tips to better understand this specific agreement section and to ensure that they don't run into the similar problems.
So Ash, I know you said that this wasn't updated. This is probably a section that will not really ever be updated. What it's saying is that as a seller, you cannot violate the United States embargoes. For those of you that don't know what that is, it's just a ban on exporting goods to certain countries. So make sure if you're selling, just always look out for the law. That is definitely something that you can get in trouble if you violate.
Yeah, you always want to abide by the laws, especially if you're selling in the United States on that platform. But sellers can also run into issues, on any other platforms or exporting goods to certain countries that, are either banned by Amazon or, that just have different laws than the United States.